Hello and welcome back to Simple Improvements. Today we're diving into a simple yet powerful technique to enhance your positive thinking, perfect for beginners in the world of personal development. Now you might wonder, why is positive thinking so important? Simply put, positive thinking can transform our daily experiences, improve our health, and even boost our overall happiness. But let's be real, it's not always easy to stay positive, especially during challenging times. That's where our simple trick comes in: mindful gratitude practice. Gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's about truly appreciating what we have in our lives, no matter how small. And when we pair it with mindfulness, a state of active, open attention to the present, it becomes a powerful tool for positive thinking. Research shows that practicing gratitude can lead to a more optimistic outlook, lower stress levels, and even better physical health. By acknowledging and appreciating the good in our lives, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we possess. Let's break down this practice into simple steps. All you need is a few minutes each day, and the willingness to try. Start by finding a quiet moment in your day. It could be in the morning, during your lunch break, or before bed. Take a deep breath and bring your attention to the present moment. Let go of distractions and focus inward. Think of 3 things you're grateful for. These can be as big as a life achievement or as small as a warm cup of coffee. The key is to genuinely feel the gratitude. For each point, acknowledge why you're grateful for it and how it impacts your life positively. This deepens the feeling of gratitude. Express your gratitude outwardly. Whether it's thanking someone, writing a note, or simply smiling as you remember a happy moment, outward expression reinforces positive feelings. With regular practice, you'll begin to notice changes. You might feel lighter, more optimistic, and more present in your everyday life. This isn't just a momentary boost, it's about cultivating a long-term positive mindset. I challenge you to try this for a week. Every day take a few minutes for your mindful gratitude practice, and I'd love to hear about your experience. Share your thoughts and discoveries in the comments below. As we wrap up, remember that positive thinking is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small changes that add up over time. By incorporating mindful gratitude into your daily routine, you're taking a significant step towards a more positive, fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more content on personal development and positivity. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and remember, every day is an opportunity to cultivate positivity and gratitude in your life.